Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Repeat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ogun wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn lèmi gbàgbọ́ sóhun mi ló jẹ́ dìbò.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Mutio Latiboye, also known as Baba Iwenje. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload to this channel, you'll be the first person to watch it. If you need more of my videos, please go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of videos that can help your spiritual life. And to those who does not understand Yoruba language, or to those who cannot digest Yoruba language easily, I've already translated this video to English language, so you'll be able to understand what I am saying. Today, I want to explain a simple tip to collect your money from the debtor. If someone owes you money and the person is refused to pay you back, and you want to collect your money by fire by force, he or she will give you by fire by force by the grace of God. And this tip is something that when you use this tip, you must make sure that you see the person face to face, not on the phone. No, not on the phone. You must see this person face to face, or you go to his or her house to claim your money. And by fire by force, when she or he sets her eyes on you or his eyes on you, automatically she or he will give you your money by fire by force. So what are the material to be used for this tip? It's very simple. We all know what is ewe lapalapa funfun. Ewe lapalapa funfun. Ewe lapalapa funfun is what we want to use. Now I'm going to where ewe lapalapa funfun is. This is ewe lapalapa. The reason why I came here is it's not only ewe lapalapa I want to use. We still want to use the root. I mean, we want to dig hole beside the root. Yes, this ewe lapalapa is what we want to use. This ewe lapalapa is what we want to use. This tip is very easy and very effective. I've done it for many people severally. You see this leaf? When you get this leaf, yes, this is what we want to use. Just write the name of the person, the debtor, person who owe you money. Just write his name or her name on it. Write your intention, what you want for him, or what you want for her, or what you want for him. Just write your wish. Write whatever thing you want her or you want him to do for you about your money. So just write it here and fold it. Fold it in 4 corners, just like this. Like this. And tie it with white and black thread. So after that, you will not dig. You will dig this place. I mean, you will dig hole beside the tree of lapalapa. So after that, you now place this leaf. You now place it in that hole and use sand to cover it. So ọ̀rọ̀ mi jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ èèyàn mi. Bí a ṣe máa ṣe náà ni mo ṣàlàyé fún wa yẹn. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Lẹ́yìn tá a bá ti ṣe kíní tán, after 7 days, ó pẹ́ jù 7 days, pẹ̀lú àṣẹ Ọlọ́run ó máa dá owó yín padà. Pẹ̀lú àṣẹ Ọlọ́run ó máa dá owó yín padà. But ẹ jẹ́ ká note ó ní pé bí tá a bá ti já ewé, tó bá yẹ pé ibi igi làpálàpá tá a bá ti já ewé yẹn, ibẹ̀ náà ni ká rí mọ́ o. Ibẹ̀ náà la máa rí mọ́. Kì í ṣe ewé làpálàpá tá a já tá a wá lọ rí mọ́ Kánò. Kì í ṣe ewé làpálàpá tá a já lọ́ṣùn state tá a wá lọ rí mọ́ Kútọ́nù. So kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ èèyàn mi. ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò ní jù báyìí lọ náà ní òní náà lọ́mọ yín àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín Dr. Mutiola Atiboye tí ayé mọ̀ sí ìwé ń jẹ́. Tó bá dìgbà mi á tún máa mú ọ̀rọ̀ mi ìyẹn tó tún yàtọ̀ sí eléyìí wá nítorí pé orí channel yìí àǹfààní pọ̀ púpọ̀ ń bẹ tí a máa bára wa ṣe. Agbára Ọlọ́run ojú ò ní tì wá, ojú ò ní tì mí, ojú ò ní tì yín láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Ó dàbọ̀ ná.